Hello traders, so in this particular video, this is going to be the first video that I'm going to do on this particular topic, alright, and on this channel, which is the ICT beginners concept. Okay, so if you are a trader and you want to start learning ICT, then I want you to follow me along on this channel, right? Because I'll be breaking down everything that I've learned from ICT so far, alright. So basically I've learned a lot of things from ICT himself, alright, and I'm still gonna drop the link to his official YouTube channel in the description, right? So you can go to his official channel to also learn more from him. But I figured that a lot of people are actually find it very difficult to understand everything about ICT, alright, and its concepts. So I now dedicate this channel to start teaching you guys steps on the ICT basic concepts and how you can be part of it, right? So these are totally for beginners, but at the same time this is not a beginners, you know, forex trading class, no. So if you are totally new in forex trading, I'll obviously advise you to come to this platform here called baby pips. If you come to your browser, you come to babypips.com. So here is where you are going to come and start learning about everything concerning the basics of forex trading, right? So from here you can start learning how to trade forex and what forex is, you know, pip calculation, and by the end of every section they have a quiz. You can see that I'm also going through the course myself. So these are for people that are actually new in this concept. But if you are somebody that already understand a bit of all these things, which you can go through it within just a few days, right? If you are stressed about learning forex, then you can come back to this my channel, right, and let's talk more about this particular concept that I'm talking about, which is this ICT beginners concept, if that is what you want to go into. All right, so I'm gonna go to the chart to start showing you guys the practicals of what this ICT concept means, both the expansion, consolidation, reversal, and retracement. So the thing is that markets move in these different components, all right, and this is the four types of market delivery that you can use to trade consistently and you make money. And this is also applicable to the ICT concept, okay? But because it is a very broad topic, if you go to his channel, right, you may get confused because all these concepts you are seeing right here may be too overwhelming for you to really understand, right? So that's why I want to come here and break it down for you guys to understand the whole concept. That's why I'm here, to show you guys how and what a beginner should be, learning on the ICT to make your journey easy for you. So now we're going to start from the expansion, and I will show you guys what is expansion, how to identify it, and what is consolidation, how to identify it, what is reversal, and what is retracement. All right, so let's continue. Okay, so as we are looking at this chart right here, I want you to use it to explain what expansion means. So the reason why I made it this way is for you to understand it, all right, in the chart. So, and this expansion usually happen after a consolidation, all right. So this is just a short time consolidation right here before you see this expansion. So as you can see, markets only expand after there has been a series of, or a kind of, market has ranged for some times. Okay, so you can see after this particular range here, this market deliver liquidity to the upside this way, right? It deliver liquidity to the upside that way. So that's how you know that the market is expanding. So is it that it goes to up this way, or it goes down this way. So these two things are what expansion, all right, to in the concept I'm showing you guys. So and this basically happens after this series of markets. So this now at this point you can see that market is basically doing kind of this way, right, something like this, before it then expands to the upside for coming down this way. So this is basically what we call expansion, all right. It means that after market gathers liquidity, all right, at a particular point it expands this to the other side, it delivers it to the other side. Let's say you are doing a how will I say, you are actually buying something, okay. So after buying at a particular cheaper price, right, you expand it to the higher price to sell for profit, all right. That's basically what the expansion mean, and I've shown you guys the typical example of it in a real chart, okay. So and that will take us to the second point, all right. So the second point, which is the consolidation market. So of course, when I talk about consolidation, these two works hand in hand, and I'm going to give you another example of where market is ranging or consolidating. So at this point you see me mark out here, market was actually, so this now at this point it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down, right. So it is basically gathering liquidity, right, at this point. That's what you call it, when market is getting liquidity, is trying to gather liquidity at this point, all right, and try to buy more or get more buyers. This is where smart money come into, when they get more buyers at this zone before they either take the price to the upside or to the downside. So that's what we call consolidation in ICT, all right. It is when price is going from point A to point B, from point B to point C within a particular range, all right. That is what it means. So I'm going to show you guys another example of this consolidation, all right, so you can really understand it and know how it when it's forming in the market, okay. All right, so like I said, the next point is when market is consolidating, all right, and how you can identify it on the chart. Okay, these are the ways that market moves in the market moves, okay. So as you can see here, that you can see that market is just moving from point A right here to point B, okay, in the same confined zone, right. You can see it is just within this range, right. So you can see how market is just delivering within this range, from this point to that point, within this confined range for a very long time. Now remember, this is in a 4-hour time frame, so this thing you are seeing here happen for a couple of days, if not weeks, all right. So people also trade this kind of market to make money, right. So they buy in the support zone and sell in the resistance zone, you understand. And like I said, this thing works hand in hand. So after this whole market consolidation at this point, it then starts to deliver liquidity to the upside. This one is when I told you guys initially, which is the expansion, all right. That's from here. Now it's expand it to the upside, do you see? So this works hand in hand. This is how you need to understand market movement, okay. So once you come to the chart, you need to understand where and what is market doing at that particular point. So if you are trading at this point when market is consolidating, you need to be very careful to understand. If you are not good in this kind of market, you may leave it, because you may lose a lot of money trading this kind of market. You may lose money doing this kind of trading, okay. So this is another way. This one is a clear example of market consolidation, okay. So I'm going to go forward to show you guys another one, right. Like I'm going to show you guys another way market move in the chart, which is the reversal, right, and also the retracement. These are two different things which I'm still going to show you everything on this particular video. So if you are getting value so far in this video, I would like you to like, this is the perfect time to tell you to like this video, all right? Okay, and if you can be able to share for another person that is a beginner to also learn, I also like you to share this video and comment in the description, all right? Anything you want me to cover starting from my next upload. Okay, so the next 2 points we are going to cover now is the reversal, right, and the retracement. So this is the next one we are going to cover, these two right here. So remember that we are covering, okay, the component of market delivery, all right? Like I said, there are two, and we are basically done with this one here and this second one. Okay, so what remains us to is this third one, which is reversal and retracement. So what I'm going to do now is to also go to the charts and show you guys how to delineate this thing, how to identify what is a reversal and also the retracement, and how possible you can trade it maybe in our next video, so this video doesn't get too long. All right, so let's go and look for examples of this in a real chart. Now I want to say something. All this thing I'm saying here is not only doable in the currency pairs or in the currency market. What I mean by currency market is in the forex market. No, you can still apply all this I'm showing you guys both in any financial market you are trading. If you are trading crypto, if you are trading DCs, futures, contracts, oil, gold, anything you are trading at all, you can apply all these concepts in there, right? I'm just using currency pairs because that's majorly what I trade myself. Okay, so let's go to these two examples, all right, so I can end this video and for make another one for you. All right, so I told you guys that all this thing works hand in hand, right? So as this one is actually completing, the next one is starting. So look at this right here. After this whole market doing the whole ranging at this point, right, market expanded to this point up here. All right, market expanded to this point up here, and now you can see that market also reversed. So this one is what we call reversal, right? So this bearish move you are seeing from here to here now is what we call the reversal. Do you see now? So these things works hand in hand. As the first one is finishing, the next one is coming at the same time. All right, so you can see that this particular chart here now, we have the market ranging or consolidating right here. The next thing is market expanded to the upside, and after that it now reversed to its original direction. So which simply means that that's what most of you guys call overbought or oversold or something like that. All right, if you are trading smart money concept, okay, or whatever. So but what I'm trying to say is that these are the major market moves. Okay, so first thing is going to consolidate right here, right? Now it's now expand. Okay, now it has reversed. So the next one I want to show you guys is when market is retracing back. Okay, retracement. So I'm going to show you guys what is called retracement. Now, so here is the example of retracement. Okay, and after this particular video, I would like you to go to your chart to start looking at for these things I've showed and I've shared in this particular video. So you can see that market is just after delivering liquidity from one point, it retraces from this point, it traded up to this place. Now it retraces down here, can you see? Then goes up again to this place, right, and retraces back to this point. So this is what we call retracement. All right, after going to one point, it comes to the other point. Are you seeing it now? So this is a perfect example of retracement from point A to point B to point C, point C to point D. This is exactly what we call retracement. So you can see it first goes up, traces back to the point, it goes up again, traces back, it goes up again. So this is the perfect example of when market is retracing. So in all these things I'm showing you guys, right, these are just ways market move in the market. So if you're an ICT beginner, these are the things you need to understand. And like I said, guys, in this my channel, I've dedicated it to show you guys the things you need to know about ICT concepts. Okay, and as I'm learning more, I also be making your journey easy for you. Alright, because there are a lot of things to learn on ICT. Okay, so I want you guys, if you like this my concept, it's my video, it's my channel, I will appreciate it so well if you like it. Alright, and also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to end this video right here. Okay, and in my subsequent video, I will now time to show you guys more of ICT terms and how to use it in the market and every other things that are going to make you profitable trader trading ICT concepts. Okay, so in that note, guys, I'll be closing this video right here, traders, and I'm going to see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.